Just going to give a brief overview of some of the more common components that we use in our PPE kits. As you'll see here before us, we have a 48-inch by 24-inch acrylic panel. This is 3/16 thickness. The edges are polished and rounded, so they pose no risk to students or teachers as they come into contact with them. We'll also include adhesive T-bases that can fit 1/8 of the 3/16 panels and 90-degree corners. The acrylic panels are protected by a protective film that peels off easily. The adhesive T-base snaps onto the panel. When the adhesive T-base is secured to the panel, you simply remove the backing. Flip and secure the panel to your pre-marked line on your desk. The 90-degree corner snaps on just like the T-base before it. For installations where an overhang is desired, you'll use a shorter length of T-base on your wings. Once that adhesive is peeled off and it's stuck onto the corner, you're good to go.